Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how we can easily bypass that notice in BGMI. And as you can see, I am in BGMI app now. As you can see the logo right here. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, how we can easily bypass the notice. So in order to do this, what I'll have to do first is I'll close the application. As you can see, it's the BGMI app which was opened, and I'm going to cut this application. So in order to do this, what I'll have to do first is open the BGMI application, and then I'm going to turn off the internet as soon as the updating shows, or I'll show you how you can do that. So when this screen appears, you can turn off the internet, and let's just wait for a minute. As you can see, this option comes, so you can click on OK, and now you can turn on the internet, and then click on OK again, and now I'll turn off the internet again. Okay, so you can see the game is opening now. Okay, so that's how we can easily get onto the lobby. As you can see, it's a bit slow because of the servers are not fully active now. So that's how we can easily bypass that notice in Google BGMI application. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.